In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull, from creating your account all the way through placing your very first trade. If you've just downloaded the app and you're staring at the home screen wondering where to even start, don't worry. I'll walk you through the whole thing step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get your account set up. Download the Webull app or head to webull.com and tap Sign Up. You'll need to be at least 18 years old with a social security number or an ITIN, since this is a regulated brokerage account and Webull needs to verify your identity. Enter your email, set a secure password, and go ahead and turn on two-factor authentication right away. It's a simple extra step that keeps your account a lot safer. From there, you'll fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth, and choose your account type. If you're just getting started, a standard individual cash account is the simplest option, though Webull also offers margin accounts and IRAs if you already know that's what you want. Once your application's submitted, Webull runs its verification checks, and you're usually approved within a day or so. Now, let's get some money into the account. Head over to the Transfers tab and select Link a Bank Account. If you bank with a major institution like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, choose Real-Time Verification. Simply log in through Webull's secure connection, and your bank links instantly. If your bank isn't on that list, you'll use micro deposit verification instead, where Webull sends 2 small test deposits and you confirm the amounts a day or 2 later. Once you're linked, tap Transfer, enter how much you'd like to deposit, and submit. Standard deposits take a few business days to fully settle, but Webull typically extends you some instant buying power in the meantime, so you're not just sitting around waiting. With money in your account, let's actually look around the platform. The Watchlist tab is your home base. This is where you'll track the stocks and ETFs you're interested in. Simply tap the search icon, look up a company by name or ticker symbol, and tap into its quote page. From there, you'll see the price chart, key stats, and news all in one place. Now for the fun part, placing your first trade. On that quote page, tap Trade and choose your order type. As a beginner, a market order will fill you immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set the exact price you're willing to pay. Enter your quantity, or if you don't have enough for a full share, switch the amount in toggle to USD and invest with as little as $1 using fractional shares. Review your order details and tap Submit to place your trade. Before you dive in with real money though, it's genuinely worth exploring Webull's paper trading feature first. It gives you $1 million in simulated cash to practice with, using the exact same interface as live trading, so you can get comfortable clicking through order tickets without any real risk. A couple of other features worth knowing as you settle in. Cash management lets your uninvested cash earn interest automatically instead of just sitting idle, and once you've built up some experience, you can apply for options trading privileges if you want to explore that down the line. And that's really the full picture, from signing up, to funding your account, to placing your first trade. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!